Hey guys, so this weekend we are camping. Yay! For the first time of the season. You want to see where we are?
We camped in Colorado last weekend. We went to the Irish Canyon, a relatively remote and high scenic canyon. Outlaws such as Butch Cassidy and the Wild Bunch spent much of their time in the Browns Park area during the early 1900s.
So guys, we're in Irish Canyon, Colorado. Here's some ancient petroglyphs, I think, into the rock a couple thousand years ago.
Look, can you see it? It is really cool. Huh? There's a couple more? Oh yeah, that's right.
Probably are on that side.
Look.
We took the children with us. They enjoy it so much.
We are searching for our camping spot. You have to look at the ground all the time because there's little tiny cactus that you don't see them unless you're on top of them.
Beauty surrounded us 360 degrees.
This is supposedly Vermilion Creek, which we are going to Vermilion Falls in the morning. So it comes out.
I am amazed by the ground and how it changes depending on where you are. This time, the earth had cracks all over. We kept finding hoof prints. I thought the Utah juniper tree was the perfect spot to find little birdies. We didn't see a single one. We love our little tent. It is so easy to set up.
So this is our camping spot, guys. There's Connor on the shade, and my chair, and Quachi. He finally chilled. Hey Connor. And there's Mosby, and then look. Kudos to whoever did this fire pit, right? It was pretty fantastic. Only Connor fixed a couple of stones. So kudos to you. Yeah, Connor just improved it just a tiny bit. And we got a little fire going, nothing big. We brought a table, one burner, our tent. And the most important thing. Wait for it. view. This is our view for tonight. I love it. It is so relaxing and quiet and beautiful. There's some cows over there, down there. There you go. That's our campsite. What do you think? It's lovely, right?
Connor quickly gathered wood from around the area, and he had a fire going in no time. I savor a good fire pit in my book.
Wanna see something hilarious? Look, that's Lola's bed. Lola's other bed. Lola's other bed.
What?
Watch is in Mosby's in the last bed too. Lola did that, and Mosby is taking advantage. And then, where are you, Lols? Hello, Lols. You are the bed maker.
We took some of the products you can find on our online store. The tote bag held all our clothes. I am super excited. I finally have the official shirt for the Overland Diaries. They are super comfy and I feel proud wearing them.
This is the hard life of a camping.
There's nothing better than a good camping meal. This one is straightforward. You only need a packet of rice, diced tomatoes, as many canned tuna as people you will feed, and mayonnaise. Do the rice with the diced tomatoes first, then add the rest of the ingredients. We enjoyed it out of the pot with chips.
How is it?
Meantime I was cooking, I was able to take photos. We went all over our campsite and enjoyed the scenery. At night, we sat by the fire and let it smell and warmth embrace us. It was a beautiful night.
Hey dude, did you have a nice night?
Connor enjoyed his coffee and I a chamomile tea the following day in the Overland Diaries mugs.
Real camper. For a real camper.
Because every happy camper deserves a unique The Overland Diaries mug.
Good morning, guys. Our little camp trip is over. We spent a lovely night here at the canyon, and please remember to leave no trace behind. Pack it in, pack it out, guys. So we brought a trash bag, and it's very important that you make sure that you put out the fire and leave no trace behind, guys.
We said goodbye to Colorado, visiting Vermilion Falls. If you blink, you might miss this fantastic place.
It's crazy. Just at the end. Wow! Wow, they are fantastic. Nice.
So I'm coming back to the truck because we just found where all the mosquitoes live and we didn't bring the off, so it's pretty much can't live without it. My biscuit was getting destroyed. She had to get out of there. Poor thing. Where do you want to go?
Right there. I guess.
On the way back, we stop at Walmart in Rock Springs. We work on the greenhouse. The only thing missing is more of my birdies. Hey guys! I'm on my greenhouse and I want to show the improvements that we made during the weekend. So, do you want to see them?
The first thing I want to show you is that Connor painted that box. Yay! And we also painted black the barrel, and it has water already, so yay! And I also got sticks for it, and we have baby lettuce. Those are baby tiny lettuces. Yay! And what else? It's new, nothing else. Everything looks really green. Everything is getting bigger too, so yay! And then guys, I don't know if you've seen this, but I painted more birds on the front, and I'm getting more creative with them. And these ones you haven't seen whatsoever. Look, I did these ones yesterday. There's a swan, a Canada goose, a dog, and then over here there's blue heron, a family of dogs underneath there. Let me just there we go, so you can see it better. That dog was the first one. But look, I did the mom and the other one. And then look at the dog. And here is a bat bird. I don't know, the sun is on my eyes. And Connor helped me painting the other side. Yay! That's awesome. So the main paint job is finished. I just need to put little birdies on them. I'm getting there. What do you think? Do you like it? We love it. It is really very colorful. Thank you so much, Brent and Joanne, for stopping by yesterday and asking for a tour at the greenhouse. That was awesome. Yay! I'm glad you like it, and thank you for all your kind words about my work. Thank you. Really appreciate it. Guys, you help us a lot if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please leave a comment and a like. See you next week. Ooh, we are out and about again.